Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to another weekend recipe with Cooking with TJ. Today inshallah I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make fried chicken gizzard. Alright guys, so first we need to add in a pinch of oil. So now guys, just add in 1 teaspoon of grated garlic and ginger. Give it a nice mix. Now guys, it's time to add in the chicken gizzard. So it's a part of the chicken that I don't know. I would post the description of this in the description part of this video. So then you add in 1 teaspoon of dried coriander. And then half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then a pinch of salt. And now guys, we need to add in some black pepper. So just grind that in. And now just give it a nice mix. So after giving it a nice mix guys, place the lid back on and leave it on medium to low heat for at least 30 to 40 minutes. So you can see the chicken will become slightly brown and golden. That's the texture that we want it to come to. So after approximately, just say 30 minutes, this is how the chicken should look. There we are. You can see there are a little bit of pink still in the chicken, but we just need to give it a little bit more time and that will be complete. So after another 10 minutes guys, so approximately 40 minutes, you can see now the texture of the chicken gizzard has slightly golden and brown the way we wanted it. So I'll say that's ready now. So what you just need to do is pour the chicken into a plate. So finally guys, just need to garnish it with some freshly cut coriander. And there you have it guys, your fried chicken gizzard. A very easy, simple recipe to make, a healthy one as well during second part of the UK lockdown. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, give it a subscribe. Until next weekend, God bless. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.